Welcome student, Venutai Savan College, Karad, Standard 11th, Bookkeeping and Accountancy. Today we learn Golden Rules of Accountancy. In this chapter is very important for us. First, definition of debit and credit. Debit in short name is DR. It is called as debit. Left hand side of account is called as debit side. In this picture we see an account and two side of the account. First is left side, another is right side. Left side is, it is also called as debit side, and right hand side of the account, it is also called as credit side. Right hand side of the account is called as credit side. It is a definition of the debit and credit. Next, golden rules of debit and credit. Last video we learned the types of accounts. First is personal account, another is impersonal account. Impersonal accounts has two accounts, real account and nominal account. So today we learn personal accounts, real account and nominal account of the rules in accounting. First is personal account. Last video we learned personal account means all the natural person, all the artificial person and representative person are included in personal account. For example, natural person, Mr. Ajay's account. Next, artificial person, Bank of India account, Venutai Savan College account. And artificial representative persons, for example, outstanding salary, prepaid commission. In this, all the accounts included in personal account, and personal account has a rules: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Once again, golden rules of the personal account: debit the receiver, credit the giver. In this picture we see all the personal account: owner, milkman, Selena, all the natural person. Artificial person, a bank, Reliance Industries Limited means a company, etc. And representative person means outstanding salary, production department. It is also called as representative person. Next account is real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, जे तुमच्या बिझनेसमध्ये येतं त्याला आपण डेबिट करणार, आणि जे तुमच्या बिझनेसमधनं जातं त्याला आपण काय करणार आहोत, क्रेडिट करणार. इन दिस पिक्चर वी सी अ मॅन अँड अनदर मॅन. सो in this man, he handed some gift to another man. It is means all the real accounts are included, all the assets, fixed asset, current asset and fictitious asset, all the tangible and all the intangible assets included in real account. Fixed asset, for example, all the tangible assets, machinery account, motor account, building account. And intangible, goodwill, patents, trademarks, copyright, accounts, all the real accounts included in real accounts, a golden rule of debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Next, for example of the real account, purchase computer rupees 25,000 from MK shop. In this picture, receiving aspect comes in the business means computer account debit. 2. Giving aspect is money. So money goes out. Money account is, cash account is real account, and computer account is asset. So it is a real account. Computer comes in the business and cash goes out in the business. या ज्या पिक्चरमध्ये आपल्याला एक दिसतंय की कॉम्प्युटर आपण घेतला आहे आणि त्याच्या बदल्यात काय दिलेले, पैसे दिले आहेत, आणि हे दोन्ही रिअल्स अकाउंट आहेत. देन नॉमिनल अकाउंट. नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स आर रिलेटेड, आर associated to losses, expenses, incomes or gains. Rules of the nominal account: debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. जे व्यवसायात तुम्हाला लॉस होतात, जे तुम्हाला एक्सपेन्सेस होतात, ते सगळे तुम्ही डेबिटला लिहिणार आहात. जे सगळे इन्कम होतात, जे सगळे प्रॉफिट होतात, ते इन्कम, गेन्स मीन्स प्रॉफिट, जे काय होतील ते सुद्धा तुम्ही कुठे लिहिणार आहात, क्रेडिटला लिहिणार आहात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, purchase furniture rupees 20,000 on cash. Furniture is a asset of the business, and money means cash it is a real account. Furniture comes in and cash goes out, it is example for a real account. Means furniture comes in the business and money goes out in the business. Next transaction is cash deposited into bank rupees 10,000. It means that bank account is a artificial person and cash is a real account. It is means that cash goes out of the business, so cash account credited in this transaction, and bank account is an artificial person, it is a personal account. Rules of the personal account: debit the receiver and credit the giver. Bank is a receiver, so bank account debited